What's up guys, it's your boy GT here, back to the game with another video. And you saw the thumbnail. Today we are gonna customize this RS6 right here. So I'm sure you guys are excited as me to make a custom on this car. So let's go ahead and teleport to school. Alright boys, here's the car, here's the machine. Let's go. Alright, so the first step is to put some tissue paper, cause why not, on the car, because I'm gonna clamp it in the vise and I don't really wanna scratch the paint. You know, giving it a paint job is something I'll do in the future, but for now, a simple wheel swap will do. So you can see I've clamped down the car and it's time to drill it using a 4.3 drill bit. That's a 3.0, I actually changed it to 4.3 right there, and I'm drilling out the rivets. Hey! Alright boys, first car done. Yeah, alright, now for the second car. Let's go! Woo! So now moving on to the second car, or the donor car. I'm gonna use the wheel riders for this GMC right here. You can see I'm also drilling it apart, and the reason why I chose this car is the wheels. I think it's most suitable and it is the cheapest car. I got it for a really cheap price, so I don't really mind ruining this car per se, and thankfully it ended up very well, although maybe I could have done a better job. I think for our first try, it's not bad. So, mission successful. Let's head home and take a closer look at the cars. Alright, I'm at home now, boys. As you can see, I've done some cutting. I've cut the axles, and I was hoping to keep the whole axles, but the axles of the whatever car this is the 57 Buick, are shorter. So I have to cut them this way, so one wheel will get the half an axle, and that's what I'm trying to do right now. I have some super glue right here and some wheels. So hopefully in a few minutes I will have a finished product. Let's go. Alright, so here's what happened. As you can see, one half here, one half there. I super glued the wheels and the super glue stuck to the axles of the wheel. So what this means is the wheel is tied sort of together or glued to the axles. So yeah, you guessed it, the wheels can't turn. Alright, so I was hoping at least the wheels can turn. I mean, not at least, I was hoping the wheels would turn, but I didn't really. I was just resting this thing on this thing right here, and I guess the glue like went to one side and eventually it reached the wheel and it glued together. I think I've heard that you can buy from hardware shops these axles right there. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of things for me to explore, but for now the wheels are stuck. I guess it's fine for now. So now let's wait for the glue to dry. Okay, this looks pretty sick. Holy crap, guys. My very first Hot Wheels wheel swap. Check this out. Yes, I know the wheels, they don't spin, but for what it's worth, I'm pretty happy. This is a stepping stone in the world of customs. Don't judge me too hard, guys. I know I gave it a little bit of a camber. You know, who doesn't love camber, man? You gotta love camber. So yeah, check this out. Doesn't some of the wheels roll well. This one and this one doesn't roll. Oh, this one doesn't roll well. Yep. So there's only one rolling wheel. It's a one-wheel drive. But yeah, that's my Audi RS6. So what do you think, guys? I know. Have you guys done a wheel swap before? A custom? I do know there's some custom YouTubers right here on Hot Wheels. So any tips for me, guys, for a scrub like me? Any tips will be greatly appreciated. Before you click away and before I end off the video, I want to give a huge thanks to all 200 plus of you who have commented on my latest videos asking you guys what cars you want me to review on my second channel. I've read all 200 plus comments and I've selected a few of them that I'll review on my second channel. So if you guys want to see more Drifter D videos and reviews, be sure to subscribe to my second channel by clicking the link in the description below, or click the link which should appear right now. And there you have it, guys, for today's video of the wheel swap. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys missed out my previous video, click right here, or another random video right over here. Don't forget to subscribe to my second channel for the bonus videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.